here in Townsend. We are going on the Vee Hollow bike trail. When you pull up to where we are right now, it's like you cannot go on there unless you have a waiver. Well, we don't know where the start is, so we're trying to find where to sign the waiver. We're trying to figure out where are we supposed to sign this waiver. So essentially we don't have any idea where we're supposed to sign these waivers, but it is pretty though. I mean, Shay's at a loss for words. Oh, Burger Master, is that good? Anyways, okay, so, Vee Hollow parking, we found it. It's literally right off, what do you call that, the parkway?
That has to be the smallest sign ever.
What do you call that though? That road right here, what is this?
I don't know.
Oh. No help.
It's the main road, the only road.
The road through Townsend. Yeah. So then you park basically in this. This is Burger Master. We need to go over there. I still don't know where we're supposed to sign a waiver, but that bridge is for.
I didn't sign a waiver.
You're not gonna sign a waiver?
I didn't say that. I'm not signing a waiver.
But this bridge is pedestrian / bike. Oh, look, your favorite place. Porter potties. Okay, so the entrance is right here. Vee Hollow Bike Trail. Scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
2.
Oh. I have a total sadness in my heart because I've been drinking too much. I've been drinking too much fluids and now I have to use the porter potties.
Those are big folk planes.
I'm gonna kill him. Right now I'm admitting it to you. Dateline, come find me. To realize that I was taking my phone to the porta potty. I'm not taking my phone to the porta potty.
That's so weird.
That is gross. You can't take your phone to the porta potty.
Churning butter is what I do. Use my phone while I poop. Yeah.
And I take food in it.
You're welcome. Now look who has to go. Him. I thought I could zoom in. I can't. He was like, I would take a burger in there. I would take a beer in there. I would take my cheese and crackers. He didn't lock it. Who does that? Actually pretty decent porta potties. I made it out. But the hand sanitizer is sketchy. So I use the hand sanitizer he had in his car. But I'm going to turn this around and we're going to film him coming out of there. We're going to see what he does. It could be boring, but it could be great. What do you mean?
I touched everything in there.
What? That is gross. Why didn't you lock the door?
I didn't know what?
You didn't lock the door. I'm just saying. Why didn't you lock the door?
Why would you like the door?
Because
we're the only people within thousands of miles.
it's weird that you did not lock the door. You don't know what it's like to be a female, basically. If someone comes in, if someone comes in while I'm in there,
thing down. We're going riding. I'm leaving you.
Okay, bye. I'll be here. Actually, I'm gonna take the truck down the street. This ride is about to start, and Shay's like, my pockets are too full. I don't know what to do with the car keys. Well, I have a pouch on my bike. And I was like, what are your pockets full of? And he goes, I got my knife. This is how you know you married a Tennessee redneck.
Let's ride.
All right, we are riding. Sorry, horrible video quality. I'm not very good one hand. Here we go. Here we go. What? This gravel is sketchy. It's very sketchy.
Right as you're gonna hold that bike.
Well, we just have to get the beginning of the trail. Vee Hollow Trail. Let's go. Yes, by the way.
Wait, close to the stick.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this little thing.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. How do you do that?
I don't know.
Looks like it's getting
Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so there is a skills course here, like right there, and then there's like a little ramp, whatever you call that. And then there's my husband. Okay, so this is the bike shop, which how we would have ever found this, I have no idea. Also, we have no freaking kickstands. So this is the bike shop. This is where you sign the waivers. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so again, yeah, we're right here. If you go up to the mouth of the hollow here, that'll put you in at the bottom of both West Mountain here and East Mountain. And TN Trot's the only multi-directional loop. That's about 1.5 miles in itself.
Okay.
And then regardless of which way you choose to take it, the climbs are in the back here.
Okay.
And generally speaking, West Mountain seems to be the more popular side. You have your one climb up, your 5 ways down. East Mountain, the climbs are tougher. The main descent is tougher. It's just more rough cut raw, where this is more machine built flow. More like hard packed clay, flowy stuff. This is just old school rough cut raw. And that being said, I usually recommend when people come in, just get their legs on TN Trot, see how that feels. Because even in that green loop, there's some climbing, some tight turns, some exposure in places. And then if you're feeling good on that, take saddle up into either White Lightning or Juice. Juice is one of the more popular trails here, but I wouldn't write White Lightning off. That's a lot of fun. That's just a lot of rollers with berms, very smooth. Juice is the same idea, but with tables, you can get some air or still roll them. The next in difficulty after those 2 gravity trails would be Rattler up here. And then after Rattler, then you would get over to East Mountain. Then after that, we got the 2 blacks, the gnarliest ones on the top of West there.
Okay.
Yeah.
The gnarliest ones.
Yeah, these are pretty gnarly. It's got big jumps at the top of Bootlegger into a chunky rock garden. Hunter Proof is just really skinny, off camber, exposed, steep. That's the gnarliest one here.
Okay.
Yeah, then we got a little jump course and stuff. And then if you go up this gravel road to get into the hollow, you'll see the sign for TN Trot with an arrow. That puts you on the East Mountain side.
Okay.
Directly to the left, when you're looking at that sign, we do have a quad road that goes right through the middle along the creek.
Okay.
This is an older map. We got it on the newer ones on the kiosks there.
Okay.
Cool. So we think this trail's like a demo trail. Oop. But so we're just getting started. What? Okay, look at this. Look at this.
It's hard to tell from here.
Is he dead?
No, he's not dead.
How do you don't tell?
He's moving. Do you not see him moving?
Oh, he's digesting. Look at. Oh, he is moving.
The color's not.
You think this is a good idea?
What?
This entire thing?
One time, I was having fun with the rattlesnake that was 5 foot long.
I was not having fun. I'm not good at this. Did you see that rattlesnake? I mean, listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. This ain't no easy trail. And he mentioned like it's more of a blue. No kidding, I almost just fell off the side of a freaking cliff. Okay, I am definitely a beginner when it comes to this freaking mountain biking thing. I think it's so cool. But like, I'm walking right now because I almost just fell off the side of the cliff. What was that? That snake creeped me out. But I'm like, I would trail run for days. This, like, what's happening? I don't know if this is for me. I need to practice a lot more. And I feel, I'm like telling myself, this is what I'm saying in my head. You got this, girl. You're the woman in the arena. It's not working. I almost just fell off the side. Meanwhile, Elmer up here. What do you think so far of this trail?
Good.
It's good? Do you think this is like, scale 1 to 10, how hard is this?
Well, for me, it's like hard. Because I'm breathing heavy and my legs giving out.
But even if you're in shape, this is hard.
Yeah, he says it's almost like a blue, but it's labeled as a green. So green's easiest.
It's definitely a
He said
freaking
it's
blue.
like a blue.
Yeah.
He told us that. But look, we made it over halfway probably. I think
Halfway?
we're here.
Oh my God.
So we should be coming through here.
Okay.
stay to the right, I'm assuming, on the Tennessee trot.
Okay. We'd be good to go. Okay. You can totally do it. No. I'm gonna be walking through that just in case you wondered.
I walk good.
How do you feel?
Good. Love it.
So we just came down, I guess, the easiest trail. Listen, I'm telling you, if you're a new mountain biker, he just said that hill was so steep he had to use both brakes. I walked down it and I had to use both brakes. Yeah. You need mud flaps. We're finally at the bottom. I mean, it is pretty. This is really cool, actually.
They make a little short flap that goes right here.
Oh.
And it'll be good. Gonna play in the mud.
No. We made it back. That's a wrap.
Wrap.
So 1 to 10, would you recommend this for somebody wanting to do outdoors things in Tennessee?
Yes. And
I definitely think you have to do it. They do? Oh, they do. They did have it, but I know. Listen, that was traumatizing, okay?
She struggled a little. I won't admit to the whole world.
I was walking on most of that. How many miles are we might be
1.2.
I think we rode maybe 2 miles, and I think I probably walked 1.8 of it. I do not feel comfortable on a bike. I can do a road race for days.
Yeah, what's funny is you use more energy walking it.
And I feel more comfortable. I'm like, I would come out here and do a trail run.
Oh, boy.
Anyways, it's super cool. Shout out. That is the Tennessee way of saying you're an idiot.